Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the selected approach in the Pmdg so the airplane knows which minima apply. Once the approach is loaded, enter the decision height or minima values and the runway visibility number into the approach or minima fields. Make sure the approach type on the Pmdg matches the chart. If it does not match, the minima could be rejected. Once entered, confirm the values are displayed and move immediately to set physical controls on the panel so they match the Pmdg entries. Next, set the physical panel to reflect your chosen minima. Adjust the baro to the airport QNH and cross-check both altimeters. Dial the decision height or minimum descent altitude into the MCP altitude selector and arm the approach mode so the autopilot will capture the glide slope or LNAV/VNAV path. While you do this, scan the PFD and ND to confirm the inbound course, glide path alive flags, and that flight directors and auto throttle are appropriately armed. Once done, brief expected callouts and go around altitude verbally. Finish by briefing the final approach with the crew. State the DA or MDA, RVR minima, go around altitude, and missed approach procedure so everyone knows roles and callouts. As you intercept the final path, monitor the PFDs and glide slope. Make the decision at the displayed minima and fly the missed approach if you do not have required visual references. If the sim refuses your minima or displays conflicting data, reload the FMC. Check approach selection and nav frequencies, and confirm your nav database includes that approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.